Oh, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Let me share my screen. Oh, I cannot share the screen.
Oh, which one? Okay, I will put you as co-host.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. So you live in Square?
Yeah, that's right. Having lift problem.
Oh,
Is it already working?
not yet. Not yet. Yeah.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. Okay. Can you see?
Hmm. Oh, this one. Okay. I can see it.
Here, this code on the left is actually generated by the AI.
Oh yeah.
It could only test. Yeah. It's very smart. I want to show you this. Uh, this one. This AI managed to generate like the code, and then could uh already generated unit test. But I got a little problem. But I will show you the problem of this. Okay. I will.
This is run in server
Oh no, not yet.
local.
It's in local. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot to do one thing. I need to connect to that class server. This one. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, this one. Well, I haven't displayed the result yet, but uh I will show you this one, the dev tools. So let's say I have a classic to sum problem in here.
Hmm.
So I will just like this one is still empty, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I will click on send and hope that the memory is enough. Last night I got like a memory issue from this one.
Hmm.
But usually it worked, like most time it worked, but sometimes like if other people are using it, I got like memory, okay, it's working. So the way it worked, there will be like three agent, like I define master, a controller, and worker agent. So
Okay.
master is like the project manager. It would like define the objective of this code, of this like prompt. Like this, the objective of the user is to find this here. A master agent is the one who prompt this. After defining the objective, it would define the flow. So supposedly it would show soon thing. Let me check. Okay, nothing's okay. It quite a while.
Hmm. Yeah.
It takes a while because like I reduce the batch size to
Yeah.
mitigate this one. It could like produce the step by step, the inputs, the outputs, and the function needed, find some pairs, and then the steps, and also some examples. After this, it would like define the unit test, this master agent again, but not the code, just like in what is the input, what is the output, and what is the constant or anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, this like this, like this agent will define the test case,
Mm-hmm.
test case number 1, test case number 2, and so on.
Mm-hmm. And
Well,
then,
sometimes the test cases are not that correct still yet, but like 0 and 9, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this one. 10 plus 1 is still not 20. So sometimes the tasks are not correct. So after this, from this one, from this agent, let's
mm,
say task case number 10, there will be like another agent, the worker agent. The
mm-hmm.
worker agent would create the code like this, exactly the same. You see,
Okay.
like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the output is 0 and 9 like that.
Mm-hmm.
After that, this would give the code to the okay, I will explain a bit. So after generating the unit test, there will be like a controller agent. This
Mm-hmm.
controller agent is the one who will test the unit test first, whether this could run or not. Just for that, after it managed to see there's no error or anything, it would like move on. So the worker agent would start to generate the code, and
Mm-hmm.
this one is the code generated by the worker agent. And then for the controller agent, will like uh would generate the code, not generate, but combine the code with also the unit test generated previously and then test it. But now this one is where is the problem. Supposedly I could manage to test it, right? But
Mm-hmm.
for some reason it ran 0 tests in 0 0 second and it's okay return. Supposedly it will return like ran 10 tests with some errors on it.
Okay, so
And
there is still
the
a
one
problem there.
yeah, there's the problem. But this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is this part, print position like
Mm-hmm.
this.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it only return where when we print. I haven't found another way, I think, but I think we could like tweak it by printing it. So yeah. So supposedly this is the code generated last night. And then when I tried to run this one,
Mm-hmm.
supposedly it returned wait, okay. This one, it returned a run test, and with some field like this,
Mm-hmm. So
three field on
your
it.
controller supposed to be able to get this.
Yeah, supposedly yes. And also
Okay.
another problem, if you notice, that I'm using like same chatbot, right? Uh, at the server, I already defined two agent. The first is the master agent here. The
Mm-hmm.
master agent, I define the role system here
Mm-hmm.
with the content as per the documentation of Code Llama, you can like define and also the worker agent. But however, if I use like the same agent repeated, let's say I had an error at the code, then I try to reprompt it again. Most likely he will generate like a different part. And then if I still have the same error and reprompt it again, he will generate the same code over and over and over again. Like
Okay.
somehow like store the prompt that I have. So I'm thinking to make like uh let's say if this agent cannot build the code that I want, I will move this to another agent to build this code for me like that.
I'm thinking different way, Matthew. So
Okay.
in anyway, I hope this is recorded. So uh first of all, I'm thinking to in terms of data structure, yeah. So either as a
Mm-hmm.
list or a queue or a stack. Okay, this is the first thinking. Second is thinking in terms of the tree. Do
Mm.
you have you ever learned about the list, stack, queue, and tree? Say binary tree or
Oh
number of
yeah.
trees. Okay, so trees. Okay, so what you need to do is in each tree you have nodes, right? And then below the node you have a say the node have several branches. Okay, and then each of these branches have another node, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so now each of these results, say for example, you have test number 1, 2, 3 until so many tests in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So for each test, you put it as a note, and then the class here, say test, find some pair here that you put here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm talking about this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is like the main root of the tree, and then each of these is the node, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and then now the controller is practically putting each of these in creating this tree, okay? And then the worker is creating the each of this the code for each of this node.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. The controller is creating the tree. Controller
The
creating the
tree.
tree. The tree is that data structure.
Okay.
Okay, creating the tree, so creating the root and the node and so on. So you put each of these problem into one node.
Okay.
Okay, and then after you put that, so the worker will solve that tree. So you have two trees. Nah? One is trees of problem. The second one is trees of solution.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Can you imagine? You have two
Yeah.
trees. So uh, trees of problems and then trees of solution. So when there is no more tree, meaning only the root and then done in the trees of problem, then the program is done.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you look over all the nodes of the tree.
Okay.
Next, so you create the trees, and then for each of these you get the solution, right? So and then another, say the same control or another control is actually creating the solution into one big project, integrate them.
Oh, okay.
Okay, integrate because each of these are node, small. Okay, so you need to integrate.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are another controller or the same control is okay, but it should be separate. So you have a problem,
Okay.
so you create, so, and then the solution. So if there is a problem in the solution, so you put back that into the tree of the problem.
Auto.
Okay. So if there is a problem, in the tree of solution, okay, put that into a problem back,
Okay.
right? So by doing so, in the beginning, maybe the tree of problem are growing bigger and bigger initially, okay? But eventually
Mm-hmm.
it will solve,
Oh, I see.
okay? So
Okay.
that is number one. Number two, uh, because you already have a data structure and this data structure are safe,
Mm-hmm.
okay? So now human, okay, you can intervene this, meaning that I can input this problem in here. So I can test not from the beginning. Probably I can start from the middle, from the tree that I have.
Oh, okay.
All right. So instead of say, you run this, okay, and then you already save, right? The tree of
Mm-hmm.
problem and tree of solution, you save it as text file or JSON. Okay.
Okay.
So once you have it, okay, now I want to run again. I don't need to run from the beginning, right?
Yeah, no need.
Yeah, so I just, when I run, I will just read this tree of problem that I have already. Okay, and then I will just do it one by one from based on this tree of problem.
Mm, okay.
So in that case, if just in case your server is cut off, okay, or you want to use your laptop for other purposes, okay, it can stop in the middle and then it will start again, not from the beginning, but from the last part that you already solved.
Okay.
Is that clear? By
Yeah, I
keep
see.
saving, okay, the solution. So into two JSONs, nah? One is JSON of solution, the other one is JSON of problems. JSON is
Okay.
basically trees, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So in that case, you can actually solve a lot of problems. I don't know.
Okay. So this one, each test cases will be like a node, right?
Correct. And then when you
Okay.
run it, okay, say you have a what say worker is creating or run.
A worker is creating. The one
Okay,
who runs is the
who is the
controller.
agent to run?
A controller.
Ah, no, you should create tester, another agent that is just to test, meaning they are just
Oh, okay.
vendor or to create the run.
Uh, so tester is the one who run and test, or just only to test?
Yeah, tester is just to run the test. So say your
Okay.
worker is the one who create the test, right? So
Yeah.
then there is another agent just to run. You can call it runner or
Okay.
so it will not run just the test, but run everything, right?
Mm-mm.
So there is a one agent just job is just to run any code
Mm-mm.
and then
Okay.
give the result back to the controller, right?
Mm-mm.
And then controller, the job is actually to put everything in the data structure. Say, for example, you are
Okay.
using tree. If you get very difficulty in creating trees, you can just use stack or queue. That's easier.
Okay.
Stack or queue is just
It's
list, you
just-
know.
Mm-mm.
You remember
Okay. I see.
I'm doing a spider, the code in AI,
Slider.
the spider in AI.
Oh, Python. Yeah, yeah. I remember in your PPT, right?
Yeah, also in Lentera, I guess. So
Yeah, in one.
I think I use either stuck or queue there. I think I use stuck.
Yeah, you use stack.
Okay, so you can
Okay.
just use similar, huh?
Okay, then I will update this to three data structure.
So the data structure means JSON. So that easier.
Okay.
So and
Okay,
then
sir.
remember to save, okay, the result, and then you can
Mhm.
run in the middle of the, because without that, what happen is you need to run from the beginning again.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Mm,
like difficult. But overall, your progress seems very nice. So and I don't know. Hey, do you put this code in somewhere in GitHub?
GitHub. Not yet. I'm planning to put this at GitHub and edit you.
Okay, so that we can work together on this also.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, or someone else who want to work together. See. Yeah.
What should I put as the license?
Oh,
MIT
private first, huh?
or private first? Okay.
Uh, private first.
Private.
Once we are already okay, then you can put.
Okay. Okay,
What
sir.
license do you think? PSD,
Uh,
MIT,
Usually I put MIT, sir. I'm
MIT?
not sure.
Better
Yeah.
BSD. I don't know.
Oh, okay, then it's better BSD.
Yeah, free BSD license. So.
Ah,
Or
okay.
GNU.
Okay.
Or GNU.
Oh yeah, I know about GNU. Okay.
Usually I put GNU. Anyway, so I think
How
once
to write BSD?
hmm, hmm,
How to write BSD? BSD
free
like
free
this or
BSD. Free BSD the name.
Oh, okay. Free PST. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
GNU. GNU is GNU.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just GPL. That's the same.
Oh yeah, GPL. Okay.
Okay, so I think the crucial right now is probably the run worker, the run agent.
Runner. Okay.
Yeah, the runner, right? And then
Mm-mm.
it is important that the controller can get the result of the runner and then loop. So at this point, I did not see the loop yet.
Oh, the loop is this point actually, but since actually it passed, so I cannot fetch the unit test error, so it just went straight.
I
Okay,
see,
it
I see,
passed like
I see,
that.
I see. So I think your number of agent is lacking now.
Okay, I
So
will add that then.
okay, so if I suggest let's use the same as software engineering. Okay, one is just
Mm,
create the uh, use cases.
okay.
Okay, second is to analyze. Okay, so to create the requirement, and then after you create the requirement, ask back to the user, is it okay or not?
Wait, one for use case.
Yeah, one is uh software engineer
For
to create the requirement. Can you check my slide in the automation? Actually,
oh yeah,
this idea is already there in the slide.
okay. I will check that.
Uh-uh.
Okay.
Probably when I did that, everyone is feeling sleepy because just all text. But that's the
Oh,
idea there.
okay. I will check that.
You want me to see to find it?
Oh no no.
Huh?
I already know about that slide. Just
Okay,
need
okay,
to get back.
okay.
It's okay.
So this idea is so now if you have one agent to create the requirement, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then the other idea is to create the specification.
Okay.
Okay, and another agent is to create the uh, design. Okay,
Yeah.
and then another agent is to create the code,
Mm,
your worker, right? And then another agent is to create the test. Okay, and then
okay.
another agent to run the test. And then of course there's a controller, the manager, who will manage all of this.
Okay. Okay.
And if you can have another admin agent that manage the timing, so
Mm-hmm.
so uh, yeah, I know it's big, but I think once you can create all of this, this is what very big, no? So this is like the
Okay.
current AI at this point to May 2024 still cannot do this. Huh? So if we can make this,
Yeah.
then surely this will become big and it can catapult uh, the AI into a
Okay.
next stage. You know?
Okay.
Okay. So
Well, I think uh the the only problem left that I have, I have no problem in creating this, but the problem is actually sometimes I have like memory issue, and I'm trying to get like more memory allocation, but they
in
still doesn't
in
know how.
where? Merowell issue in where?
In Petra server.
In Petra server. Anyway, once you make this working even small, okay, we make it open source, okay, and then we can find some donation in terms of server. I believe
Okay.
Facebook or a big AI company may be interested.
Oh, that would
They
be
can they
very
can
good.
uh, they can contribute a lot, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So,
Okay.
but make this even the small part first. So make it run first. We don't need to make it perfect. Okay. Once we launch this publicly, so then we can start to find, funding,
Okay. Okay, sir.
for that kind of memory problem, hardware problem. And oh, I think someone can scout you also.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good. Good.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So
Thanks.
when are you going to
Yeah.
when are you going to give the progress, next progress? Is this week or next week?
Uh, I don't think it could this week
Okay,
since
so next week.
uh I have archive to do.
Yeah, yeah, I know. So
Okay. Next week.
thank you, Matthew.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
I will send the recording to you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye, sir.
Bye.